What's going on, guys? Rob from clicksgeek.com, and in today's video I wanted to go through pay-per-click lead generation. This is more for newer people who don't understand what Google Ads is or how it works. So if you're an experienced advertiser or you know Google Ads really well, you guys can just skip this one because this is not for you. Okay. So for the newbies here who do not understand what Google Ads is, it's simply using Google's platform to place ads for your business or your clients' businesses to generate leads and phone calls and ultimately sales for their businesses. Now there's nothing faster than running a successful Google Ads campaign. You can literally build one in one day and have it up and running and live on Google and be generating phone calls for your business or your client's business pretty much that same day. At least in the niches that we work in, that's how we do it. Anyone can do it. And if you want to learn more about Google Ads, I'll have a link to one of our courses in the description below this video. I also have over 350 free training videos on our YouTube channel, so make sure you go check that out. And that is our channel called Clicks Geek. Now back to Google Ads. So there's nothing faster to generate leads. All right, you can literally start doing this in the same day that you build it once you know what you're doing. And it's very easy to do. It's not complicated. There's actually videos on my channel where I walk you through from brand new campaign to fully built in one video. It's like an hour long, I think. But yeah, so there's nothing faster than that. And really, ultimately, what it comes down to when you're running Google Ads, you're just presenting a solution to someone who's searching for a problem, how to solve a problem on Google. If you think it's 2020, we all use Google for everything. Everything. We search questions on Google. Everyone does. Everyone does it. So if you have a business, you obviously want to have your business be in there when someone's searching in real time for your services or whatever you guys do, whatever it is. All right. So an example here, I have Google pulled up. We'll do pest control near me. All right. I'm outside of Philadelphia, so it's going to pull up ads for that. So we have a few things here. We have our Google Home Service ads, which is another ad service that Google has, which you don't need to worry about that for right now. And then we have the ads. All right, you can see here, Terminex, Seats Brothers. All right, these are all pest control ads. So these guys are all these guys are advertising on Google to show when someone in their targeted location, which is my location, which is right outside Philadelphia, searches a pest control keyword, pest control near me. All right, so obviously someone searching this keyword has a pest issue. So they want to spend money. They have a problem. They're going to pay to make the problem go away. All you're doing is just solving their problem in the ad right here. The Unique Exterminator, free pest estimate, $35 off, one-time pest service. See what I mean? They're just solving the problem for the people searching. This is why Google Ads is so powerful when it comes to lead generation. Because all you're doing is solving problems, and people are just going to pick up the phone and call you. They're going to call you because they're on desktop like I am right now, or they're searching on their mobile phones, which most people do. And there's a click to call button where they can just, in the ads. So there'll be a call button below these ads, or this number is a click to call, and the mobile versions on phones. And people can just call. So they're generating phone calls. Then we have Google Maps here. Then we have the organic search results. And then down at the very bottom, you have more ads for pest control. All right, in our example here. So this is all you're doing at Google Ads is solving people's problems. And now this is a predictable, scalable way to grow your business. Obviously, if we can turn on a campaign and send you 5 to 10 phone calls a day, no matter what business you're in, doesn't really matter. If you can do that for your business, you're going to grow. That's just basic. There's nothing more. And this is what you're going to do with Google Ads. All you're going to do is whatever your business is. Let's say this guy is a pest control. You can do plumbing, HVAC, doesn't matter. Business broker, anything. It doesn't really matter what it is. You can advertise for it on Google Ads and put yourself in front of people who are searching for someone to solve the problem that you already have the solution to. And that's really all it is, guys. There's nothing like it. It's wild. All right? So I'm going to take you into one of our actual client campaigns. And you'll be able to see here, this is a junk removal guy in Norfolk, Virginia. He's spending $200 a day. Obviously, that's a very high amount, but he's getting crazy results, so he wants to keep spending more. You can start out Google Ads campaign with as little as $25 a day. I personally recommend starting at $50 a day, Monday through Friday. To get the fastest results, you want to actually be spending enough money to make a dent, make a difference. All right, so he's spending $200 a day. In the last 30 days, September 22nd to October 21st, 2020, they've gotten 224 clicks. So this is 224 people have clicked on their ads and came to the landing page because we put their ads out in front of people who need to have junk removed. So 224 people clicked their ads. 81 people called or submitted a contact form. 81 new people that were not customers before September 22nd. Now this is a mixture of inbound phone calls and contact form submissions from the campaign. And that was a cost per lead, $34. So it cost them $34 per lead they got. Conversion rate, 36%. I'm extremely happy with this. These results are great. These guys have spent $2,800 in the last 30 days, and their return is 5 times that. All right, so this is how powerful and scalable Google Ads is. You can literally put your business in front of people as they're searching for it in real time. All right, so like I said, guys, this video is not for the advanced marketer. This is more for anyone who's just kind of curious what pay-per-click lead generation is. So hopefully I've answered that question for you. Now, if you want to learn how to build campaigns for Google Ads and all the nuances that go with that, go to my channel, like I said, Clicks Geek. There's over 350 videos on there, trainings for free. You can check that out. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Give this video a like. And I've dropped a few links in the description below this video, so make sure you check those out. There are to a few different courses we have, and to a free 3-part video series training on how to optimize your Google Ads campaign, so they're always producing results like you're looking at right now, and a lot of other cool stuff. All right, guys, I will catch you in the next video.